So to fix this problem, first of all, head straight to your phone menu. Then after that, you have to try to set for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Now tap on the SIM card and mobile network. Select the network you're using. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on preferred network type. Now select or choose 2G slash 3G slash 4G or 2. So after selecting this or choosing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings again. You just have to scroll down a little bit and you're going to find app management. So when you find app management, just tap on the app settings. Then you're going to see all your app listed over here. So what you have to do is just scroll down and try to search for Gangster Vegas. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on full stop, which is down below. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Then tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile notification. Then make sure every notification is turned on like this. Now you have to go back and tap on mobile data network and make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu and try to tap on Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, you just have to search for Gangster Vegas. And when it appears like this, what you have to do is to just check the updates to get the latest updates. So after doing this, what you have to do next is to just restart your device by tapping on the power button for some while. And this is going to pop up. When this pop up, just try to restart or reboot your device, and this problem is going to get fixed after restarting or rebooting your device. See you in the next one.